Hey, this is Arlene. It is October the 2nd, 2020. So the bottom of my air conditioning unit, the floor unit right here where you see my feet at, it's actually hot, like the way my refrigerator gets hot. It's never really been that way. So, you see certain areas of it that's really hot, but to be actually physically hot on the outside is not like my air conditioner. See the heated there? So anyways, I just wanted to do a video on it. It's like in the hundreds. And so it's actually not really working. I have it at 69, but nothing cold's coming out. But yet it's emitting 95-degree heat into my apartment.